Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about why you don't have to be 100% consistent with every single trade. With good risk management, you can be wrong 80% of the time and still make money with your trade. So we're going to be talking about that today. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. I hope you guys learn something. And if you guys want to learn more and take trading to the next level, check out our school. We have an amazing sale going on for 51% off. You guys can use code XMIS24. Amazing holiday sale. Check it out. Private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat. But, more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've used over the past 7 years. When I first started trading, I didn't have access to a course. I didn't have that. So I wanted to help and make a course that would help me when I first started. So check it out down below. You won't regret it. And guys, let's turn to the computer and jump into this thing here. So as of right now here, we're in on 2 positions. So let's pull up this. All right, so we're in on 2 positions. We're in on ticker symbol SLNO. So the approach that I had with this was entering here on that 200-day moving average line, keeping our stop loss, so the max amount of money we're willing to lose, just below this 200-day moving average line. Doing that and keeping your stop loss just below a support line will help that stock get a little more buying pressure because people are more likely to enter on these moving average lines. So doing this, right? So if we go here, we draw this out. So we entered here at about that 46 mark, kept our stop loss. Now we can keep our stop loss a little bit below it, a little tighter, just because we've gotten a little buying pressure from it. So now we can push up high, right? So this would give a risk versus reward of about 4 to 1. So risking $1 to make $4 a share. So if we go to our trade, our trade return calculator here, this is why having good risk management is so incredibly important, because imagine you guys are starting out swing trading with $500. You trade 1 trade per week, risking 2% with a 4 to 1 risk in reward. And that just say your win-loss percentage, you win about, let's go 40%. Okay, we can calculate that out. Over the course of a year, your account balance grows from $500 to $1,300. Now imagine you guys lost 70%. So you win 30% of your trades. Guess what, guys? You're still profitable. That just say it's 25%. So 75% of the time you lose money, but with good risk management, guys, you're still profitable. That just say, I think the break even's about 20% with this. Yeah, a little bit above 20. So about 22%. This is incredible. And this is what we look for, are those good risk and reward, those good entry points, and those good breakouts. So here you guys will notice it hit that 200-day moving average line, which is that red line. And now our push is to go back up to that trend. So also looking at the RSI, I was trading for a 29, which is a super undervalued point for the stock. It was just a great setup. The hourly, we're hoping we can form that trend going this way, keeping our stop just below that trend. It's as easy as that. And even if we dip down and we lose $100 or $200, that's fine. This past month, we made several thousand. I think we're up, 3,500 this month and halfway through the month. So I'm excited. I'm excited to see some more buying pressure out of these positions and, hoping we can get that trend. Okay. This is the good one, right? Because we're already up. Everything's looking well. But BGC, it's not looking the greatest, right? Had a little false breakout here. We got in probably a little too early. We most likely should have waited, but hey, it's fine. We're up, we're profitable, we're doing well. And when you're up on your money over the course of a week or month, you can take a little more risk. At least I do. I have the luxury of having a little bit of a larger account, so I can go in with a small position and go, okay, we enter here. If the stock pushes up above the 200-day, we can average in. So, average in on that trade for push up higher. The risk and reward was there, right? Entering, we can actually draw that out. Let's go ahead and go back to the daily here. So the thought process that I had with this one was very similar, right? Entering on that 200, and you guys can still see there's still some separation. So, we'll keep our stop loss right now near and around that 870 mark. for a push-up high, right? 3.75 risk and reward, risking 3% to make 11%. I'll take that any day, right? And if I'm wrong with this trade, so be it, right? That's all part of the approach. It's all part of the strategy. Is you don't have to be 100%. You just have to have those good risk management skills. So another one that I actually like here, and I think we could get some buying pressure, is going to be AEP. AEP here, looking at the hourly, we're starting to get some breakouts here, which look interesting. So I'm excited for this one. Could definitely see a move. It's already breaking out of that 50-day moving average line. So the next resistance levels are going to be the 90 and the 200. But I'm excited for this one. This one here does look good. Going back to this here, if we enter, let's go ahead and draw it out. Enter here, we'd want to keep our stop loss kind of below here, right? About 2% down for push-up high, almost a 4-to-1 risk and reward, right? And this is what we look for. These are the stocks we seek out. These are the entry points we seek out. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys want to learn more about trading and investing, check out our school. And a lot of people always ask, they go, Carter, what broker do you use with this cool risk management tool? And that is MOOMOO. So I'll put a link to them down below. You guys can get up to 20 free stock by signing up with them. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope you guys enjoyed the little update here.